UPS guy just got here. You guys see something different? We got fresh tires in the front, so hopefully we can drive this thing today. Sad news, the UPS guy did not have my new fender, so I guess that's gonna be here tomorrow. Yeah, but like I said, we got new tires on this thing. I have the rear tires that came with the car were good, but the other side was just about to crack or blow up, as what Les Schwab said. So I got this one on, and then I got a 17 G35 wheel, but I can't use this. I just had it on there just for now because the brake caliper right there touches the inside of the wheel, which means if I try to drive it, it would grind my caliper down, which is no good. I can run these with a tiny spacer though, which is what I'll do if I ever use these as drift spares. So here is the other wheel. I have the 219s on the side of the house I can mount to these, but I'm not going to right now, just because when the car's all done, I want to just fill this up with air, and then maybe I can do like a burnout or something with these. I don't want them to go completely to waste. But these tires were from the Villains event with the black 370, and these are still really good, so I can get a couple laps of those on the track. But for now, we're gonna pop the hatch open. We're gonna put the spare onside this side, and then hopefully go on a drive. I'm pretty scared, but I think it should be good. I got the spare out, and I found this little Bose thing. I'm wondering if it's an amplifier for the stock sound system. That'd be cool. Both of my last 370s were the same model with the Sport and the Bose, but I did not have this. So I'm wondering if this does anything special, or I honestly don't know. Comment down below if you guys know what that is. But another cool thing is that the spare is actually an Enki wheel. I'm not sure if that is stock or somebody just threw this in there, but that's cool. It's like a little RPF1. You guys ready for a good laugh? Check out this spare in the sunken place, but it'll work. Oh man, the seatbelt doesn't work. They're completely stuck. This is sketchy. Okay, instantly I start rolling. VDS, ABS, traction control light all turned on. I kind of thought that was gonna happen, but I don't know if that's rubbing or if that's just how the car rolls. Oh man, this is really sketchy. The back window is completely black. I cannot see anything through that. We did it, boys. She's driving. I bet you I could take this thing to Cali just like this, man. It's not overheating or nothing. Feels good. If I let go of the steering wheel, it goes a little to the right, but that'll be fixed with a tiny little alignment. I think this test drive is a success. I think that was a success. Feels great. Now to see if it leaks any coolant, which I'm 500% sure it does, because it did the first time I started it, but it hasn't since then. So we'll roll up the windows and we are going to get out of the car. Alright, it's the next day. We got Andrew's Miata over here. We're wrapping his new wide body fender flares, whatever you want to call it. These are gonna go, we're gonna cut these off, we're gonna throw on the new flares. Do you have some? These are the two that we wrapped. He wrapped one by himself last night, so I'll put the time lapse in right here. See, I got this huge L-shaped box, and in this box was actually this new fender. So I got a new fender for the car, and then yesterday I actually drove all the way to Bothell, Washington. So it was like the top of Washington, and I live at the bottom of Washington. I literally live off the first exit of Washington from Oregon. And I picked up this 09 Nismo bumper, which is a crazy deal. So that's not even bolted on at all.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why the fitment looks like shit. But crazy deal on this Nismo bumper. It's gonna give this car an amazing look. I already with it super hard. Yeah, I don't know, I might try to save it, but I might not. Just like cut it and then weld up a sheet and then Bondo the shit out of it.
No, not even Bondo, you just need to finish it off.
Yeah. It'll look good. So what we're doing right here, we're gonna finish up wrapping these things, and then we're gonna put them on the car. We're gonna cut it up, and then yeah, this car is gonna be looking a lot better. Especially because on Sunday we're doing Andrew's gender reveal, and I get to be the one. I'm the only one in the world that knows the gender right now, so I'm kind of excited. So we want this car to be all flush and nice looking for that. All right, let's finish these up, and then let's start cutting into this car, because that's gonna be the fun part. Alright, we completely finished all four. He's doing a little test mount right here, but look at that. That is a pretty good match. Alright, we're gonna get this thing jacked up and we're gonna start cutting. This thing is stupid loud. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna do the cutting. I know he wants to do the cutting, but I'm gonna do it just because I think I'm gonna have fun doing it. So, let me see.
You owe me a new car if you up. Or a paint job.
Why would I?
Because you're the one cutting it.
So while this maniac's been cutting up his car, I've been working on the fitment for the Nismo bumper. It's somewhat good. Come around here. It's not bolted anywhere besides that side. But the fender I've tried to get on. Pretty bad. I'm not a professional, but it's alright. Still need to get that new door. Comment down below if you think that is repairable. Like put a little sheet metal, weld it out, Bondo it. I don't know. But it looks all good. I can definitely like drive this to work now. I just need a headlight. After we're done with this, the fronts don't need anything crazy. It just needs to be cut off, and then we can start 3M taping the flares, and then we can get it on. So we got one down, baby. Look at that. That thing looks fire. It's on some Liberty Walk. Bro, is that a Liberty Walk Miata? But look at that. Comment down below if you think that these are sick. And if you have an NC, where'd you get these?
Carbon Miata.
Carbon Miata. But how come they're not carbon though?
There is a carbon option and Kevlar option. Except it's worth like a fortune more.
Well, this looks good enough. And also, how do you guys think of the wrap? It's still dirty because we got a bunch of fingerprints on it and stuff. But I think it matches the paint pretty swelly.
Oh, bro.
What?
Am I gonna be able to leave here?
Are you gonna be able to leave here? What do you mean?
Like my wheels aren't gonna be able to fucking turn?
Bro, you're not even low. Get out of here. You don't know nothing about the low life. Next day, it's about 8 a.m. right now. Yesterday was an awesome day. We actually did Andrew's gender reveal for his baby. I was kind of like the host or something like that. I was the one who knew the gender. I was the only one who actually knew it. So I got to set up his car, put the stuff in the exhaust, and start it. So I'll put the clips from it right here.
10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did it work? Yeah, it worked. There's like no cleanup. I mean, it's just chalk.
So it's a girl?
Hey, you're about to start a new exhaust trend. You're about to start a new exhaust trend.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. I had a lot of fun. Huge congrats to him. Go follow him on Instagram. He's doing a bunch of photo shoots for a bunch of people around in the area with a bunch of Stance cars. But I think that's going to be it for today's video. Guys, if anybody has a plug on 370Z headlight, you guys know which one I need, a door, or possibly even coilovers, DM me on Instagram, because those are the 3 things that I am looking for currently. But I'm gonna get out of here. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace out.